The next steps are being taken in the transformation of the city's public transport system. Fares have recently gone up, and there's been changes to some bus routes. Gerard Collings of the Otago Regional Council says there's been negative feedback, and it's being listened to.
We're comfortable with where things are at. We know there's some minor tweaks to be made, and we are actually taking note of the public feedback that we're receiving. Once the new network's in its entirety and has had a chance to bed in, then we'll review where the network is.
Another raft of changes will take effect in coming weeks. Guidelines for what personal belongings can be taken on buses are being created after locals with a bicycle caused difficulties for a driver. Collings says the council's meeting with bus operators next week to decide on the rules.
So we've agreed with the operators that what we'll do is we'll come up with some general guidelines, and they will be general guidelines. We won't be able to cover off all instances, and there will still be a requirement for the driver to have some discretion, obviously.
He expects to see increasing numbers of people using buses in coming years, encouraged by an easier to understand service. And with that goal in mind, the council's about to put contracts for Peninsula and Southern routes out to tender.
Those, again, will follow the same principles that we've had for the last Southern routes changes, where we're simplifying, reducing the number of route variations. So again, we're expecting that it's not going to be as everyone would desire, but we've really got to look at streamlining the network.
The biggest changes will happen next year, when a central bus hub's created. It'll integrate a news service using modern technology to show where buses are in real time. It's set to go live in Queenstown before it's launched locally. David DeLorean, 39 Dunedin News.